Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K2. In this video I'll show you how to manage keyboard functions. Let's start with the left side of the functional buttons. Press Fn plus F1 button to increase or decrease system brightness on your PC. Press F3 to switch window. Press F4 to enter File Explorer. Press F5 to increase or decrease backlight of the keyboard. And here we've got the media panel. Press Fn plus F7 to skip backwards, F9 skip forward, F8 pause play. Next, using F10, F11, F12, you can change volume of your PC or mute it. In the end, we've got functional button we can reassign, delete button, and backlight on/off button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.